folks, we're going to do some eco resin pouring today. Let's do some. We do a red car. And we've got the ladies, I think I'm going to do in white so I can...
Stuff like that. I've been looking to move.
Let's go in there with that. And we'll do a blue first.
She thought Blueface would want her then. And honey, she went over there kissing all on his back fat and shit.
Oh, look at that blue, that's so pretty. I would never even let him blindfold and handcuff me, because fuck that, I wouldn't trust that boy. I wouldn't trust him one bit, like. So yeah. Whoa, that's a lot. I didn't realise that was a lot of excess. I don't know why I bothered doing that, but it seemed like a good idea. Thanks for joining, guys. I'll bring you back to unmould. Okay. So I'm going to unmould these with me. We'll soon see. Cute. I was expecting a darker blue, but cute. See you there, bubbly bits.